Hello everyone, my name is Penny, General Manager of AiT Semiconductor. AiT Semiconductor, we are a fabless IC design and manufacturing company. We design for power management ICs, discrete ICs, memory ICs, and we have manufactured for inductor and crystal. Also, we have automotive ACQ products as well. AiT Semiconductor, we are a solution provider. For example, we are very specialized on DC-DC converter. This is our evaluation board. We provide 100 volt, 1 amp, 2 amp, and 3 amp buck DC-DC. And on the evaluation board, you may find here's our ICs. This is the inductor and diodes. So you can see AiT Semiconductor, we provide a total solution. So here, I would like to introduce what we have for the power management ICs. We have AC-DC, DC-DC, regulators, and gate driver, LED driver, motor drive, touchscreen driver. And we have audio amplifier, op-amp amplifier, and comparators. And power management ICs, analog and power switch ICs, Hall sensor, and interface transceivers, logic and level shift, reset IC, IGBT, and very important is we are very strong in MOSFET, include the low voltage, high voltage, super junction, SGT MOS, and we have new technology for SiGMOS. And we just mentioned that we have automotive solutions. Here is the automotive solutions. We provide 11 parts of car solutions. So the part number we list here. For more information, you can check our website at www.ait-ic.com. For the application, AiT Semiconductor, we cover 8 segments from lighting, automotive, industrial, IoT, and telecommunication, medical, home appliance, and consumers. From our webpage, applications, you can click anyone you are interested in, then you will find here the solution and where is the part number we are supplied to the solution. For example, EV charger, we supply DC-DC converter, inductor, CMOS LDOs, ISO9001 transceivers, IGBT, SJMOS, and ESD CAN bus. And more information to visit our webpage for the application. For more information, visit our webpage at www.ait-ic.com. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.